Hi everyone, so let's go to the next page, which is the task 2. You can tap at the bottom here. Okay, so over here you will see something I have already prepared for you. Okay, over here you will see a table of the month and the zodiac sign, and over here is where you do the exercise. Okay, so your task is to actually find the zodiac sign of that month, okay, using VLOOKUP. I don't want you to put in manually, because I know it's quite easy, right? So look for Feb and then you put in Feb Aquarius. Okay, that's not what I want you to do. I want you to use formula to put in the zodiac sign. Okay, so the first example I've already put for you. So when I tap on the cell, it shows the formula. Okay, so we're going to do the formula together. Okay, so just tap on the cell and then on the on the bar here. Okay, type in equal and then VLOOKUP. Okay, you can see over here is already shown. Just tap on VLOOKUP and it has 4 data for you to put in. The first one is the lookup value. Okay, so what we are looking for? Okay, we are looking for the birthday month. So just tap on the Feb cell. Okay, the next is the table array, which is the table over here. So tap on table array first and then tap on April over here on the right side and drag it to highlight the table. Okay, and then next is the column index number. Okay, so we want to find out the signs, right? So signs is the column 2. Okay, month is the column 1, the signs is column 2. So we're going to put in number 2. Last but not least, okay, we just put as false. Okay, so that's the formula. Okay, and then once you're done, tap on the tick here on the right side and you will see that February is Aquarius. Okay, so next, how do you do the autofill to fill in all these empty cells? Okay, so usually you will using the method I teach you in the previous lesson, in the previous video. Okay, you just highlight and then tap on fill and then you are going to drag it down. But unfortunately you have a lot of error. Okay, and the reason for the error is because every time you drag the formula, sometimes we will auto change to the row below. Okay, example here is the table they took from E2 to F13. Okay, but if you go to error here, they changed it to E6 to F17. Okay, so how do we prevent this from happening? Okay, first I'm going to undo and then I'm going to tap on one cell and I'm going to tap on the table. Okay, and then it will turn red once you tap and then tap again and tap on edit. Okay, so in between the letters and the numbers, I want you to put in a dollar sign. Okay, this is to tell Excel that please do not change the table position. Okay, so just tap and then go to the letters. Okay, and now you can tap on tick. Okay, now you tap here and fill and then you drag it all the way down. You can see that there's no error anymore. Okay, so please try this. VLOOKUP is a very important formula. Okay, right now it looks quite easy. Might as well put it manually, but there are times where there's a lot of data. You wouldn't want to check one by one. Okay, so instead of that, you can use the VLOOKUP.